Welcome back. We got that advanced lighting kit here, and we're going to go ahead and install that. You can see I got the basic one on there. Nothing happens when I steer with the turn signals, and nothing for reverse. So let's grab that. We'll also get into those new wheels we got for Christmas and check it all out and give it a good drive. All right, back top down view. Looks like we got a lot of wiring to do. Pretty sure this has got to go first. So grabbing tools, we'll work on that. And then we'll have to get to the body. Okay, I got this all figured out. I know it looks a little wonky, but when you turn, those go on. Turn this way, they go on as well. The tail lights, parking lights, all that's working. You got reverse lights. They're gone. And if I want the lights on, I can either use the app, which I'll probably use mostly because I have the link, or I can go under here and hit mode. And it's got low beams and high beams, and it's even working with the light bar, so that's freaking awesome. I haven't hooked those back up yet. Probably do that later on. These new additions to the Bronco are freaking amazing. I'm really liking the advanced lighting kit, so now I can control my blinkers, right or left there. Have control of the brake lights and reverse lights. And you can also see the turn signals here. I know it's only a step up from the standard lighting kit, but I definitely like having control over the turn signals. I can also switch between high and low beams on the headlights and the light bar, and I can turn on and off the parking lights. Those can be done in the app, or you can press the mode button that's inside of here. Here is the mode button I'm speaking of. You just click that to switch between the 3 modes. Here's parking lights only. Here's the low beams and the high beams. Like I said, you can do this in the app. It's definitely a lot easier to switch between the modes, but I'm not going to pull that up since I'm recording with my phone. The new wheels and tires are also very awesome. I forgot what brand they are. I know there's some knockoff brand, but they're fantastic. Not only do they match the decals and the orange on the truck, but they also grip really, really well in the dry and that little bit of snow we got here. Probably not going to see a lot of snow shots with this thing, but I'm going to drive it anytime there is snow. Also, since we have these new wheels and tires, I can use an actual spare back here. I would love to get an orange one, but you'd have to buy a whole nother set of these. I think we'll just keep the stock one on here. Maybe we could spray it orange, or find a wheel to throw on one of these tires and spray it orange. But that'll be for another day. I still need to get these working. I haven't got a long enough wire made. I'll do that here in the future, and then the next time you see this, they should be working. Or maybe I'll just leave them not working, since I lost the lens on one or both of these, so I just keep these caps on full time. Well, that's going to be it for this one. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you know where to leave them. As well, if you could click the things over here, I'd appreciate it, as it helps me out. And just a quick reminder to y'all out there, once we reach 1,000 subs, I will be giving away this TRX4 1979 Ford Bronco spare tire mounting bracket and cover. That's a lot to say, but get your family, your friends a sub, and I'll give this away. I thank you all for stopping by today. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and take care.